please tell us what is it exactly and what is the purpose behind coming up with something like this?
Vibrate basically has got 5 sensors at the tip of every 5 finger, all the fingers, and on the finger we have got vibrators. And those vibrators, the distance of the vibrator from the hand denotes the distance of the obstacle in front of that finger. So suppose in front of my hand there is an obstacle that is in 1 meter range, the first vibrator works. And similarly, the second vibrator for 2 meters, the third vibrator for 3 meters. So the blind person, by just sensing the vibrations on his hand, can come to know that what is the distance of the object in front of him. And because this covers all the directions, he can come to know in which direction there is an obstacle. Suppose I'm holding my hand like this, and this finger is pointing in this direction, and I come to know what is over here and at what direction it
And
is.
this is for about how much distance is this?
It can take a maximum of 3 meters and a minimum of 1 millimeter.
Alright. And when did you actually invent something like this? Give us a background or when did you invent
Yeah.
it?
So basically, it started off from a competition that we had to face, and the competition was to make something for the blind people. And in that competition, we were looking for what is already existing. And there is a stick called white cane that they currently use, but that can tell you only what's in front of you or wherever you point it, right? So in this case, this can tell you in all directions what is there in front of you, what is there on the left side, what is there on the right side, and the stick it had the main problem that you need to hold the stick in your hand and you need to take care of it. In this case, you do not hold anything. In fact, the under of your hand is completely free. You can hold glasses, you can hold things. You are completely good to go. This thing.
And I believe you represented your university also in a competition.
Yes, yes.
Could you tell us details about
We
that?
started off with our first competition that was held in Hong Kong. Over there, we represented India. There were countries from China, from Japan, from Korea, and there we secured the second position all over this Asia Pacific. After that, we represented this complete project in IIT Delhi and IIT Gandhinagar. IIT Delhi, we got the best startup project, and in IIT Gandhinagar also, we got recommendations from the very senior scientists of NASA.
हाँ
करते हैं?
हाँ कर लो।
आपसे हम सिर्फ एक दो क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, इसके जवाब दे देंगे आप?
Yes, very good.
ये अनिका आपको इसका बात इससे
और आपसे आप बताइए, जो आपने हाथ पे ये पहना है, आपको इससे पहनने से कुछ फर्क लगा, कुछ वाइब्रेशन फील हुआ या आपको अलग कुछ महसूस हुआ? इससे पहनने से कुछ फर्क लगा, आपको दिख पाया या कुछ सॉरी दिख नहीं, आपको कुछ सेंस हो पाया कि कहाँ पे किस डायरेक्शन में चलना चाहिए?
देखो कि मैंने ये डिवाइस पहना हुआ अपने हाथ में। सबसे बड़ी बात तो अगर मेरे आगे कोई चीज़ नहीं है तो बिल्कुल वाइब्रेट नहीं होगा। अभी तो मेरे आगे आप खड़े हो, जैसे कोई भी चीज़ है, जैसे हम चल रहे हैं तो कोई चीज़ हमारे आगे आ रही है तो ये वाइब्रेट होगा। मतलब क्या हमें बता देगा कि आगे कोई चीज़ है। बाय द वे नहीं, अगर कोई चीज़ नहीं है, इस साइड पर कोई चीज़ नहीं है, अगर वो चीज़ हमारे बिल्कुल पास है, बिल्कुल पास है तो वाइब्रेट ये आगे ये होगी।
और आपको पहनने से फर्क लगा, आपको अच्छा लगा कि पहन के कंफर्ट महसूस होता है कि आसपास कोई चीज़ पता चल जाती है? आपको लगा कि आप फ्यूचर में ऐसी चीज़ पहनना चाहेंगे? कंफर्ट महसूस होता है कि आसपास आपको कुछ एक वार्निंग मिल जाती है?
यस बिल्कुल, मैं थैंक्स करता हूँ।
थैंक यू।